In question 6, we're going to express each vector as a scalar multiple of k, vector k. So vector k is a vector whose length is 1 unit, okay, because you can see it's moving from 2 to 1 along the y, along that axis, and its direction is downward. So any vector that is pointing downward is positive, while any vector that is pointing up is negative. So you just need to take note that these vectors, any vector that is pointing up is going to be negative, and any vector pointing down is going to be positive because k is facing down. So we can take the downward direction as a positive sense.